Not everyone can say they made their own sea salt, but I can. I went down to the public boat ramp in Onancock. Oh, look how beautiful this is. No, not the one near my house because I'm not trying to end up on Dateline, y'all. I filled the pitcher with our clean oyster-filled bay water. Look at that. Crystal clear, just right there. Brought it home. Filtered it again because I didn't want any of that cootie stuff going on in there. Get that all nice and filtered out. Look at how clear that is. It's just so beautiful. Boiling it down, got to get all the water out. Look at that. Starting to form. Nice and crusty. Water's evaporated off. Let me go ahead and put this on some parchment paper. Look at those sea salt grains. Fair warning, don't use parchment paper. What's left? Pure sea salt. No plastic packaging, no store runs. Just me, the sea, and a little heat. That's Salty Acre Farm. Rooted, real, and a little salty. Just how I like it.